Dude, I can't with these hairs. Is that better? Kind of, not really. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jackie. If you're not new, welcome back. Today's video is a video I've been planning for a while. I have just been so busy, but it is here. It's on my face, and we're ready to do this. It is the new Kylie Cosmetics blushes, bronzers, and highlights. I picked up a color from each, as well as some lip products. So if you're interested in seeing my thoughts on these products, then definitely keep on watching. But before you do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It's free. It's easy. Be a part of the fam with me. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of my future uploads. I am doing my best to get you 2 to 3 videos a week. So yeah, if you're interested on seeing how I finished this makeup look and my thoughts on her products, then let's just get into it. All right, I am so excited for this video. I apologize for the lighting. It's a little off and it's borderline nighttime, and I don't have enough lights in this room for it to be like daylight settings at nighttime. I'm working on it, gotta get a couple more. I look crazy right now because I have nothing on my lips and essentially like a full face except for bronzer, blush, and highlight. And that is because we are trying out a new bunch of Kylie Cosmetics items. I'm so excited. I've had these for like a couple weeks now. I just haven't had the time to film. I have been so freaking busy, but it is Saturday night. I am baby free. Me and the husband are having a date night, so that means I am double fisting, wine in one hand, energy drink in the other. So it comes in this super cute box. I actually don't own anything. I own some lip products from Kylie, but I think a friend gave them to me a while back. So in the box, there's this cute little note from Kylie. It says, "Good choice, love the products you picked. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do." So she released a bunch of new bronzers, blushes, and highlights. I will say everything came extremely well packaged. Lots of foam in here. The highlight actually came like double packaged. Lots of bubble wrap. So I guess the first item that we are going to start off with I've had a few glasses of wine, is the bronzer. I got the shade Almond, which kind of looks a little dark now that I'm looking at it. You have no idea how hard it was not to swatch these or try them out. So this is the packaging. It's super cute. I love the pink and the mirrored name. And this is what she looks like in the pan. It's just such a pretty shade and it looks so buttery. I'm so excited. Ugh. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch it. I don't want to ruin it. It's just one of those, it's just so freaking pretty. Oh, it feels really nice. So that is the shade right there on my finger. We're gonna give it a little swatch. So that is the shade swatched on the back of my hand. I think it's gonna be a great bronzer shade for me. So to start off, I am just going to do like, well, let me take this mirror off so I can use it. I love that they all come with mirrors. So I am just going to swirl my brush in like so, and then go in and do like a little bit of a contour. Oh wow. That is so pretty. But do you see that? It is looking the tiniest bit red on my skin, and there is tons of fallout. If you can see like around the pan, that doesn't bother me. But yeah, so we're gonna do the same on the next side. I am just going to take some on the forehead. This stuff is super, super, super pigmented. Holy crap. Maybe almost too pigmented. It is definitely showing up red on my skin, which I think right now I'm a little pale, but I think as I get more tan, it will look a little bit better. This is one of the darkest shades, so she definitely has a lot of lighter shades. It is so pretty. I'm looking really, really shiny right now. Yeah, and I put powder on, which is crazy, but I have been using the Natasha Denona Face Glow Foundation, and I've been mixing it in with the L'Oreal 24 Hour Fresh Foundation, and it just gives your skin like that glow. It's so good. These baby hairs, I've put oil in it, everything. They are just, they're here to stay. They're not going anywhere. So then I'm just going to take a little bit down the chin. And then to finish up the bronze, I'm just going to take a giant powder brush, dip it in there lightly, like super lightly, not a lot of product, and just kind of buff everything out. First impressions on the bronzer, I definitely really love the formula. It's super, super creamy. It didn't blend out patchy or anything. A lot of the times I feel like some bronzers can tend to do that, but this is seriously one of like the more creamier formulas that I've tried out in a really, really long time. Next up, we have a blush. This is in the shade Kitten Baby, which I think she said on her Insta stories was like her most favorite shade, so that's why I picked it up. Packaging is the same, and it is this gorgeous, gorgeous peach shade. I will give it a swatch on the back of my hand. So that's it swatched on the back of my hand next to the bronzer. I'm just going to take it on my blush brush and tap it in. Can you see a difference? This is the side with it. This is the side without it. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous peach shade. Do the same on the other side. I feel like the formula is really just like melting into my skin too. Like it doesn't look powdery at all, which I love. I'm kind of living for it. I'm like really, 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 really impressed so far. This is good. I'm excited. Next up, we have the Kylie lighter. I love her little twist on that name. And this is in the shade Cheers Darling, which I think she had in her original line and she just changed the name of it. But this is like her her more popular highlighter. So this is what she looks like. Super pretty, like a peachy toned highlighter. And I'll give her a swatch. Now I've never tried, like I said, any of her face products before, so I'm hoping This one is as good as the other two have been so far. So that is the shade, if you can see it, right under the blush. So let's go in. Oh. Do you see that? Holy crap. Oh. It is like blinding and like in the best way possible. Like that wet looking, oh my God. Holy crap. If you want a blinding ass highlight, this is it. I'm actually going to take it and do it just in my tear ducts to add a little pop. And then just take some on the brow bone. I'm obsessed, like with everything. Holy crap. I'm having a damn good makeup day. Not a good hair day. Like this is not cute. There's nothing cute about this, but I'm having a damn good makeup day. Okay. So the last couple of items that I did purchase were lip products. I picked up 2 lip liners, one in the shade Coconut and one in the shade Iced Latte. And then I did pick up a lipstick in the shade Cosmic Matte, which now that I'm kind of looking at it, I don't know if it's gonna go with my look right now, so we will see. But I will swatch it for you. Okay, so up top we have the shade Coconut, which is like a more mauve-y, like cool toned brown. Next to it you have Iced Latte, which is definitely a warmer brown color. And then you have Cosmic, the Matte Lippy, which is again like a taupey kind of cool toned color. So I feel like Coconut and Cosmic will go really great together, but I really want to use Iced Latte, but that's okay. For the sake of this video, we're gonna go in with Coconut lip liner. My lips are hella dry right now, so a matte lip is gonna look pretty interesting. And then we have Cosmic lip right here. And her lipstick smells like cupcakes. It smells so cute, but look at, see if you can see this. Look at the detailing. The Kylie that's stamped on there. So freaking cute. I love the packaging. But it's definitely very pretty. It is a comfortable matte lippy. So this is the finished look right here. You guys will have to tell me what you think. I am low-key obsessing over these products right now. Final thoughts, I'm really loving the way everything turned out. And I think these are such affordable products. So the bronzer is $18. Like that's like, to me, is like high-end drugstore, or the higher price point of drugstore and like the lower price point of high-end makeup. So I think $18 for this bronzer is out of this world. Because the blush is 20 bucks. Again, such an affordable price. All her products are extremely affordable. I love this blush. I'll definitely have to keep you updated on how it wears, like if it fades off the face quickly. And then the highlight, y'all, this is gonna be my new go-to glam highlighter. I just love this shade. This retails for $20 as well. Such a good price point. The lipsticks, I think I like the face products a little bit more than I like the lipsticks. I love the colors, but I don't think they're anything like crazy special. Like I could get this lip look out of my NYX lip liners and a ColourPop lipstick. It's definitely a little bit, don't get me wrong, it's better quality. I can already tell from the feel on my lips than ColourPop, but if you don't want to splurge 20 bucks for a lipstick, the lip liners are definitely worth it over the lipstick, I would have to say. But yeah, I definitely love the way that it looked. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Click it, like it, love it, watch it. Follow me on my journey. And if you've have tried other Kylie products or any recommendations from her, let your girl know, because I'm always willing to try some new products. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.